This journey will start from Morbach and end on Datsum. Datsum is the name of the village. This area belongs to Rhineland Falls. Rhineland Falls is the name of the province. The temperature is here is 18 plus and the day is windy and sunny. After about 14 minutes drive from Morbach, we will come to very beautiful river called Mosel where ferries also run. Mosel River is a very beautiful river where ferries also run. As we saw in today's journey, grapes are also present in very abundance left and right on all the travel. Assalamu alaikum, Guten Talk, Namaste and Sasriyakal. I welcome you guys to my channel Travel Europe and me. I hope you all are very happy in your lives. Morbach is our starting point. Morbach is a municipality, a kind of collective municipality in the Bankastral-Wittlich district in Rhineland, Palatinate, Germany. It is also a state-recognized climatic resort. The area of Morbach is 122.2 km square and the elevation is 440 meters. A visit to the Belgium Archaeological Park in Morbach, Vedira takes visitor on a journey back into the region's Roman history, providing an impressive insight into the lives of the Cathars and Romans. It is the province of Rhineland-Pfalz. Yes, Rhineland-Pfalz is the province. When we start our journey from Morbach and after about 15 minutes to drive from Morbach, we will come to very beautiful river called Mosel. Mosel river, German Mosel. River, a west bank tributary of the Rhine River, flowing for 339 miles, which is almost 45 kilometers, across northeastern France and western Germany. The Mosel in German is the best known of the 13 German wine-growing regions. The beautiful scenery of this part of the Mosel make it a popular tourist destination. The Mosel was known to the Romans by the name of Lumen Mosella, and the river was romanticized by the poet Asonius around 371. The Mosel is mainly famous for its wine made from the Rizal grapes. The length of the Mosel River is almost 544 kilometers. It flows from 246 kilometers across northeastern France into Germany and drains an area of 7,300 square kilometers. A tributary of the Rhine River, the Mosel flows about 340 miles from the Vosges mountain range in the northeastern France. At this Mosel River cross map shows the waterway travel through Luxembourg and western Germany before finally meeting up with the Rhine in the Koblenz. Here the grape fjords are also present left and right on all the travel. A wide range of grape varieties cultivated in Germany is impressive from A as in Acolon to Z as in Zwickeltraub, while almost 100 varieties are planted. Around 20 of these are of the greatest commercial importance. Above all, Riesling and Müller-Thurgau are also called Ribener. These account for a good third of the 103,079 hectares of vineyard in 2019. In the case of red wine varieties, Pinot Noir and Dorne cultivation are of the greatest importance. Germany now produces nearly 67% white wine and 33% red wine in regions extended from the Alpes to Lake Constance. Some areas, such as the Mosel, Saar and Rover, are almost exclusively dedicated to white grape varieties. In contrast, regions in the south, such as the Württemberg and Baden and the Ahr in the north, have a long-standing red wine tradition. The trend toward red grape varieties has been unmistakable in all growing areas over the past few years and has now probably passed its peaks. The most extensive red grape cultivation is in the two largest growing regions of Rhône and Pfalz. Another recent trend is the shift towards white and red Burgundy varieties and the renaissance of classic grape varieties. Rhineland-Palatinate is the southwest German state bordered by France, Belgium and Luxembourg. The state capital, Mainz, features Jewish synagogues and cemeteries. The Romanesque Mainz Cathedral with ornate tombstones and the Gutenberg Museum, devoted to the inventor of the printing press. The lush Mosel Valley, with its riverside town of the Passport and the barren Castel Cusi, is one of Germany's largest wine regions. The state is known for the many specialized crops of its river valley. Viticulture occupies a predominant place in the agriculture of the state, and the famous vineyards along the Rhine, Mosel, and the Nech River are the source of the most Germany wines. Yes, this area is known as the state of fruits and wines. Rhineland has a long history of division and possession by foreign powers. The modern state was created only after World War II. Over the last few decades, the automobile and commercial vehicle industries has shaped the state's economic development like most no other sector. After the chemical industries, it is the most important industrial sector in Rhineland-Pfalz. Rhineland-Palatinate is a state of Germany. The politics of Rhineland-Palatinate take place within a framework of a federal parliamentary representative democratic republic where the federal government of Germany exercises rights with certain powers reserved to the state of Germany, including Rhineland-Palatinate. Rhineland-Palatinate is home to more than 300 castles, palaces and fortifications. This area, known as the Rhineland, was a strip of German land that borders France, Belgium and Netherlands. Okay viewers, our video is now coming to end. Inshallah, see you very soon with another and exciting video. Until then, take care of yourself. Remember us in your prayers and be happy. And viewers, stay connected with us. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.